If meron kang big sa iyong chart, this is all about prosperity, support, and at the same time, few life lessons, no, for 2026. Pero bago po natin i-discuss all the auxiliary star that we have, for the pig, please tandaan po, apat po ang iyong Chinese animals, no? Meron kayong year, month, day, and then the hour. Iba-iba po ang mga meaning nito. At pero para malaman niyo po kung ano yung mga apat na animals meron kayo sa isang chart for free, please access my website. Link is on the screen. Ayan. So, madali niyo po ma-access ito and it's all for free. Pasok niyo lang po yung mga details niyo para makalculate ng iyong chart. Now, going to our first auxiliary star that we have for the pig is 5 prosperity. Ooh, ano ibig sabihin na to? 5 prosperity is all about new means of earning, no? So, bukod sa meron ka ng mga means of earning this ngayon, so 2026, pwede tayo magkaroon ng mga opportunities, mga additional stream of income. So, mas madali natin mapalago ang income flow within 2026. But of course, hindi ibig sabihin nagbukas tayo ng negosyo, okay na, no? This requires management, at the same time, leveling up with proper information, no? So, hindi po basta-basta, no? Pagka-open automatic, wala pong ganun na buhay, no? Kailangan po natin pa rin gawin ang pwede natin gawin para mas mapalago ang ating negosyo. Kailangan pa rin bantayan yan, syempre. So, next auxiliary star is the monthly virtue. So, ano ibig sabihin nito? Na-amplify niya yung mga auxiliary stars na meron ka. So, nado-double niya yung effect ng mga positive and so is the negative. But at the same time, what I like about itong monthly virtue, meron din siyang impact to negate, na babawasan yung mga negative stars na meron tayo sa ating chart. So, hindi siya entirely bad, especially doon sa mga negative stars. And to be honest, makikita nyo later, hindi ganun din kapangit ang mga auxiliary stars that we have for the big. Ayan, so auxiliary star is the sky novel. This actually means madali makakuha ng tulong from many people around you. Kumbaga, ino-offer na siya yun, no? Mga tulong. May mga tao rooting for you sa 2026. Talagang gusto kang tulungan para ma-achieve mo yung mga goals. So, pag may nang-offer ng help, yeah, just thank you, please. Okay? Bakit? Kasi ibig sabihin nito, mas madali paliitin ang mga problema mo o kaya naman sila na mismo mag-solve ng mga problema mo, which is mababawasan ang mga problema mo. So, please, do accept the offers of help. Kung walang nag-o-offer, reach out. Oo. Ibig sabihin, madali kang makakuha ng tulong ng walang judgment. Before we go to the rest of the auxiliary stars, please visit ang aking free resources, sofiarenosa.com, free resources para makapag-download na po kayo ng free ebook for 2026. Marami pong information kayo makukuha dito for free. Mga forecast for the animals, at the same time yung day master mo o kaya naman feng shui ng iyong bahay, how to handle it, no? Lalong-lalo na itong 2026 na very volatile ang taon na ito. On top of that, meron po kayo makikitang invite to my Prosper event on January 31, 2026 para mas more information, how do I navigate, paano natin gagawin thriving year ang 2026. Ayan, please join my Prosper event on January 31, 2026. Now, going back to our auxiliary stars that we have for the big, we have robbery siya, at the same time lesser consumer. Both of them have the same meaning. Robbery siya is theft and robbery. No? Kung hindi kayo mapagbantay, pwede tayo manakawan. Kung hindi naman, mismanagement of finances. No? Next, another definition po nitong robbery siya is ruined reputation by association. So meaning, piliin po natin yung mga sinasama natin, yung mga background nila, no? Hindi lahat maganda ang background o kaya naman hindi lahat maganda ang intention. Be picky of who you spend time with. Next naman, lesser consumer is maparami ang gastos, maparami ang shopping, no? Ayan, nag-e-enjoy masyado ng shopping. Pag nangyayari po ito, syempre nadideplete ang ating resources. So, before you do that, make sure balance check muna tayo. Kaya ba natin talaga i-afford yan or kailangan mo ba talaga yan? No? But this is a little less problematic than great consumer. Then again, it's still reduction of resources. So, patayin mo na lang. Next auxiliary star is the death star. Mukha siyang intimidating pero ito lang po ang ibig sabihin nito. May mga endings sa buhay natin sa 2026. This could be an end of a bad habit o kaya na ending of a relationship. Lalong-lalo na kung may mga revelation na nangyari no 2025, no? Na-realize mo yung mga certain individuals, hindi pala maganda ang intention o kaya toxic relationship pala ito o kaya toxic habits. So this is the year that you might find yourself ending things, no? If you have been wanting to break up with someone this year, this is actually a good year to do that. Ayun, para mas madali. Hindi kailangan ng too much effort Ayun. So in summary, what this actually means, marami pong opportunity for wealth growth ang ating pig. At the same time, support is actually easy. At the same time, may balance of learning that meron tayong gagawin, no? Sometimes the ending of things, it gives an opening for new and better things, no? So wag natin i-resist ang mga endings na ito. Find out why it's ending para mas magkaroon kayo ng new non-negotiables sa iyong buhay. Ito, this time, if this is what I'm looking for, this is what I deserve. Marami na ako sinabi. Okay, alright, thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget not to visit my calculator and at the same time to download my free ebook. Mga free naman sila. I-download yun na. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.